Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Don't laugh at my hair. Okay, so my sister-in-law Shanna, she was like, "Oh hey, you should curl your hair." Excuse my rude tablet. So my sister-in-law Shanna, she was like, "Oh hey, you should curl your hair," and I was like, "All right, cool, I'll curl my hair." And she was like, "No, I mean like curl. Like I want a fro. I want 80s." And she was like, "Oh my god, it looks so good!" And I was like, "Okay, well, it's ridiculous." So I think what I'm gonna do, just for funsies, what I think I want to start doing is for future videos, I am going to ask you guys, what would you like me to do with my hair? And if I pick your hairstyle, I will shout you out in the next video. Or, you know, a video that I film with that hairstyle somewhere in the future. So if you guys want to do that, I have long hair. I actually cut it. It was past my butt at some point, and then I cut it, and now I have layers, and it's kind of right above my butt now, the longest layer. So I do have long hair, and it's very straight and it's very thin. So if you guys want to recommend any kind of hairstyles, I will try my best to recreate them for you guys, and I'll also shout you out, and you guys get to see me attempt to do whatever you wanted me to do. So go ahead and do that. Also, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because I am having a really fun giveaway for 500 subscribers. I actually just bought a whole bunch of fun things for Black Friday for you guys. So share this channel on your social media accounts and, you know, with your friends, with your family. Try and get me to 500 subscribers so you guys can have a really fun giveaway. If you guys like this video, hit the like button. Also leave a comment telling me what you think you want my hair to look like so I can give you a shout out. Or just a comment in particular, because you're awesome. So here we go. This video is actually centered around beauty box subscriptions, but it is the November deck of Scarlet, which is so beautiful on the outside. Look how pretty that is. And it did come with this glitter eyeliner. And so I'm going to be using this for you guys today, as well as my Sephora Playbox for November. This is what the palette looks like this month. I've already dug into it, sorry you guys. So it does come with this really cool, like, bright yellow color. I don't have anything like this in my collection, so I was actually really excited to get that bright yellow color. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing. But because there's only 3 shades, and this color does not show up on my eyes as it does in the pan. It's kind of more of a pinky kind of tone. I am bringing in Milani's Most Loved Mattes just to get a little bit extra brown in there, but so I'll be doing my eye look with this. It's got a couple lipsticks, and then we're going to be doing the Sephora Play as well. And let me show you guys what's in the play box for the month of November. I could have used this for this hair look today. Crap. It's the Moroccanoil Protect and Prevent Spray. So this is probably something I should have used before I did this, whatever this is. Oh, it's falling. I gotta fluff it out. Oh no, we gotta be fluffy. There, that's fluffy. Alright, so this is Color Complete. Oh, for color treated hair. Mine's not color treated, sorry. What's that smell like? Like heaven. Oh yeah, it smells so good. Okay. Dang. Well, it's for color treated hair, but I'll still use it in my hair. My hair, this is all natural. Alright, and then we have a cream lip stain from the Sephora collection. I love, wait, lip stain? I don't know if I've actually tried their lip stain. I've tried their liquid lipsticks. Is this the same thing? Alright, cool. Well, it's a really pretty nude. So we're going to try this today. So that's going to be fun. And you know what? I think I might do this on the bottom and then try a couple Deck of Scarlet ones on the top. Just to see how those colors look. And then, ooh, perfume, Tory Burch. I'm actually going out after this, so might as well. What is this? This is Just Like Heaven. Oh! Oh man, you guys can't smell perfume through the computer. Wish you could. It smells beautiful. Then I have a Ceramidin Moisture Retention Shield. Cool. I actually don't know how these eyeshadows are going to perform, so I did not put on my base. So I'm going to go ahead and use this real quick. And then, you know, going to do the rest of my face as we go, because the deck of Scarlet actually comes with a highlighter and a blush. I have an eye cream. Heck yeah, I'm also going to be using this. Alright, this says nothing on the back. Sorry. But it says eye cream, so we're going in. I guess I'm going to get a little eye prep going on. The last thing in the Sephora Play box is this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Microfinishing Loose Powder. So it is very finely milled. I am excited to use this. Alright, so I'm actually going to start with the eyes, and I'm just going to do one eye on camera, and then I'm going to go off and do the other eye. And then we're going to do the rest of the face and use the rest of the deck of the Scarlet. And then we're going to use the rest of the deck of Scarlet palette. And for the actual face from the Sephora box, I have the finishing powder and this little lipstick. So pretty much the whole thing after this is going to be deck of Scarlet, and then the lipstick and finishing powder after. So let's see how this works. Okay, I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I do know I'm starting with the Most Loved Mattes from Milani, because three colors is just hard to work with. Alright, so I am actually going in with kind of this warm brown shade here. I'm going to put this as my transition color. I'm so excited. I'm going to go get Christmas decor for my background today. And you guys see that plant there? There's actually going to be a Christmas tree there. I'm so excited. Wow, Milani. You pigmented girl. I have a Christmas tree for it there. It's like 4 feet tall. It's not very big. I don't want it to be too distracting, but I'm going to get ornaments for it today. I'm so excited. Hopefully it looks pretty back there for you guys. Now I'm going in with a thinner crease brush, and I'm going to be mixing that same brown with a little bit of the onyx there, that black, just to create kind of a deeper crease color. I am noticing that this black is very difficult to blend. It is just, you put it down and it doesn't move. Oh, I don't like that. That's unfortunate, actually. That looks like dog poop. You guys can insert the other word there because I don't use that kind of language on my channel. But that's what it looks like. That right there. Alright, whatever. I mean, that looks so bad. That's the worst blending I've ever done. Oh gosh, I tried so hard. It's not. 20 minutes later. 20 minutes later. Whatever. Screw it. It looks so... that looks so bad. Okay. I can't do this anymore. Alright. I'm going to cut my crease now. So, let's do this. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and add in that gold, and it is tan line. And I am just going to pack that all over the lid. Alright, now I'm going to deepen up that outer corner, and I am going to attempt... I am going to attempt to do that black and Actually, I tried the black and it was not working. I know it's not going to work for that outer corner. So I'm actually going to do this dark brown and that warm brown, and I'm going to mix those two together and try and pack those ones on. Alright, now that we have that kind of base on, I'm going to clean up this corner here, and then I'm going to be lining it with just a regular black eyeliner, also Deck of Scarlet, just because I want to pull in as much Deck of Scarlet as I can. And I'm going to do the base of my face and then be right back. Alright, I have not put on my base yet, but I'm just coming in real quick. And I think what I'm going to do is use this glitter eyeliner, and I'm going to do kind of like a half moon shape right up there on the crease. So let's see how this works real quick. And if you guys can see, it is a really light gold with silver sparkles in it. Alright, so I have my face done, and now I'm going to do my under eyes real quick, and we're going to add in that inner corner highlight, that yellow, because I want to use it in this look, just so you guys can be like, that's yellow. Alright, so I am just doing my under eyes with this brown shade. Let's do that inner corner. I'm going to take a small pencil brush, and I am actually going to line my eyes with some black eyeliner and add some mascara after this, and then we'll come back to do the rest of the Deck of the Scarlet. Why do I keep calling it Deck of the Scarlet? Woo! Let's go in with that yellow, y'all. That's intense. Alright, so that kind of brought out a little bit of yellow to go with my outfit today, and I kind of like it. I mean, I thought it would be a lot brighter because it's so bright in the pan, but it's actually, it kind of was like a mustard color on me, and I mean, even on my finger, it's really bright yellow. But it just did not show up like that on my eye, and I even tried to build it up a little bit, and it's just, it wasn't working, so whatever. Okay. Alright, well there's the Deck of Scarlet eyes, and now I'm going to move on to the Deck of Scarlet blush and highlighter. So I'm going in with this brown for the blush, and I'm going right on top of that with this, which is really dark, and I'm not too sure if it's going to look good with this, but we're doing it anyways, so it's okay. Alright, it's actually not super highlighty, it's just very subtle, and it is very warm tone, so I can see that on top of my blush more so than my actual blush. It's just not for my skin tone, but that is a really pretty subtle, natural looking highlight, which I think would look really good on me in summer, so that's always a good thing. I'm going to go ahead and set my face with this Makeup Forever powder. I'm going to do half my face to see how it works, and then I'll do the other half. So this is just a very finely milled powder. Wow, you guys, that set my under eye beautifully, and my makeup, oh, it smoothed out these fine lines here, and it looks great around my nose area. It even helped a little with my forehead lines. Wow. Alright, I like it. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with that Sephora lipstick and top it off with one of the deck of Scarlet lipsticks, and then this look will be complete. Alright, so this lip stain is very neutral. I actually really like this color, not even gonna lie. And I think I want to tap into one of these colors. Alright, I'm gonna tap in just the center with Koi, which is kind of this peachy color here with a little bit of brown, and it does have some gold, like glitter type shimmer stuff in it, so let's see what that looks like. Well, that's it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! So, share this channel, Microfinishing. What is that noise? I'm actually gonna well, that's it for this video. There's powder flying everywhere. Well, that's it for this.